Car accident. Your right to compensation in Lancaster.
Life was treating Malcolm and Molly well. They were happy, healthy, and enjoying life to the full. Then suddenly their lives took an unexpected turn. One evening while driving home from the restaurant, a careless driver was not looking where he was going and smashed into their car. The crash was big, and their car was a write-off. The ambulance was called for, and they were taken to accident and emergency. Malcolm suffered a badly fractured leg and was 4 hours in theatre. Molly's X-ray showed 3 ribs broken and, in addition, her right ear was deeply cut by the seatbelt. This was to turn their life upside down. When they finally returned home from hospital, things started to get worse. The bills were piling up, and Malcolm's injuries prevented him from returning to work. Molly just stayed indoors, too aware of her disfigurement, and excluded from most activities because of the pain from her ribs. She spent a lot of time crying, and Malcolm spent a lot of time shouting. To make matters worse, no one seemed to care about Malcolm's lost wages, and, to top it all, the other driver's insurance company were offering such a dismal settlement by way of compensation. They weren't sleeping, and blood pressures were rising. Both Malcolm and Molly knew that they needed outside help, but as this was totally unfamiliar territory to them, they were a little confused. They had never before needed a lawyer. They wanted a lawyer that they could trust, one with experience in their type of case, and one backed by a recognized professional body. But how to find the right lawyer? A trusted friend told them what they needed was not just a solicitor, but one who was a specialist personal injury lawyer. Furthermore, they should be a member of the Law Society's personal injury panel. After many conversations, they were directed to Albright and Dungood. When Malcolm and Molly visited Albright and Dungood's website, they found numerous client videos praising the professionalism and the success rate of the company. To their great advantage, they found that they could get a no-win, no-fee agreement and could get all payment of fees deferred until settlement time. Malcolm and Molly were delighted with their discovery and called Albright and Dungood. The call was taken by Bob Albright, who listened carefully to their explanation and then outlined how he could help solve their legal problems. They made the decision to appoint Albright and Dungood as their lawyers. Within 3 weeks of choosing Albright and Dungood, payment was made for all lost income. 2 months later, they received a settlement cheque, which was 3 times the original offer. Malcolm and Molly were delighted that Bob Albright and his company were there.
This video is simply a placeholder waiting for the first law firm to ask for this spot on Google, at which time I can replace the video with one of their own and all their own contact details.